Putting into service. Fill the tank with water. To turn the machine on, operate the ignition switch located at the rear of the machine. The buttons light up, the machine starts to heat, and the display indicates the temperature of the coffee group. These 3 dispensing buttons have the following functions: coffee dispensing, steam dispensing, hot water dispensing. To enter the menu, press and hold the coffee key for 5 seconds. To move between the parameters, press the up and down keys. Parameters appear in the following order. Temperature. Press the coffee dispenser button to change the unit of measurement, Celsius or Fahrenheit. Then move up and down with the buttons to choose one. Press the coffee dispenser button 2 seconds to confirm the choice. Eco function. Press the coffee dispenser button to change the minutes to wait before the machine enters eco mode. Choose the minutes with the up and down keys. Press the coffee dispenser button 2 seconds to confirm the choice. When the machine is in eco mode, a dot appears on the display. The LEDs go out, and the temperature is raised to 60 degrees Celsius. Standby mode. Press the coffee dispenser button to change the minutes, to wait before the machine enters standby mode. Choose the minutes with the arrow keys. Press the coffee dispenser button 2 seconds to confirm the choice. Pre-infusion. Press coffee dispenser button to set the pre-infusion to on or off. Use the arrow keys to navigate through the parameters. Choose with the arrow keys the desired value. Press the coffee dispenser button 2 seconds to confirm your choice. Offset. The offset is the value that compensates the temperature of the heating element compared with the supply temperature. Choose with the arrow keys the desired value. Press the coffee dispenser button 2 seconds to confirm the choice. It is recommended to keep the standard set. Steam dispensing pump. Press the coffee dispenser button after selecting with the arrow keys to set the pump to on. Choose a steam temperature between 130 degrees to 140 degrees. Press the coffee dispenser button to change the temperature. Choose with the arrow keys. Press the coffee dispenser button 2 seconds to confirm the choice. Coffee temperature. Press the coffee dispenser button to change the temperature. Choose with the arrow keys the desired value. Press the coffee dispenser button 2 seconds to confirm the choice. It is recommended to maintain the standard set. Coffee brewing. Hang up and tighten the filter holder in the dispensing group by turning it counterclockwise. Place the cups at the exit holes under the filter holder. Check that the dispensing tap is closed and the profiling valve is facing the front of the machine. Press the coffee dispense switch. On the display, the delivery seconds begin to run. To finish brewing coffee, simply press the brewing button again. Coffee dispensing manual profiling. Press the coffee dispense switch and adjust the profiling valve. Turn the valve lever clockwise to work at low pressure and have an optimal pre-infusion level. Increase the extraction pressure at will by turning the lever anti-clockwise. To stop brewing coffee, simply press the brewing button again. At the end of dispensing, always return the lever in position, 10 bar. Hot water supply. Press the hot water draw-off button. The internal LED remains lit and the display shows the letter. The pump starts and the water comes up to temperature. Open the tap to dispense water. Close the tap and press the dispensing button again. Steam supply. Make sure the profiling lever is in position. By pressing the steam button, the machine prepares to dispense, and the display shows the message, "Steam up," to indicate that the temperature is rising for steam execution. When the temperature has been reached, open the tap. When you have finished heating the drink, close the tap and press the steam button again. Coffee after steam. The display flashes the temperature with dashes. This means that the temperature is high for a coffee. When the ideal temperature is reached, the display shows ready to run coffee machine.